Hey TechCircle fam, welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest in tech, gaming, and innovation. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated events of the year, the Nvidia CES 2025 keynote. Buckle up, because Nvidia just dropped some mind-blowing announcements that are going to change the game, literally. Let's get into it. But before we dive in, check out this short clip that completely blew my mind.
Welcome to CES! Are you excited to be in Las Vegas?
Jensen Huang kicked things off with his signature energy, talking about how Nvidia is pushing the boundaries of AI, gaming, and computing. And Nvidia is at the forefront of this revolution. AI is no longer just a tool, it's the foundation of the future. And at Nvidia, we're building the platforms that will power this future. Bold words, right? But as always, Nvidia backed it up with some jaw-dropping announcements. Let's break them down. First up, the next generation of GPUs, the RTX 50 series. Nvidia claims these are the most powerful gaming GPUs ever created, with up to 2x the performance of the RTX 40 series. They're built on the new Blackwell architecture, which brings insane improvements in ray tracing, AI-powered DLSS 4.0, and energy efficiency. DLSS 4.0 is a game changer. It uses AI to upscale games to 8K resolution with virtually no performance hit. And get this, it's not just for gaming. Nvidia is bringing this tech to creative applications like video editing and 3D rendering. So whether you're a gamer or a creator, the RTX 50 series is about to level up your workflow. AI everywhere. Next, Nvidia unveiled their new AI compute engine, or ACE for short. This platform is designed to bring AI to every aspect of our lives, from smart homes to autonomous vehicles. But the coolest part?
Wait for it. Wait for it.
So, what's ACE all about? ACE stands for AI Compute Engine, and it's basically Nvidia's way of blending their expertise in AI, GPUs, and real-time rendering into a powerful platform. The whole idea is to make AI more useful and accessible for things like gaming, virtual assistants, and even robotics. Whether you're a developer or just someone who loves tech, this could be a game changer. Why is it exciting? 1. Smarter NPCs in games. Picture this, you're playing a game, and the NPCs, the background characters, are so realistic, they can remember your past interactions, adapt to your gameplay, and even hold real conversations with you. ACE uses AI to make this happen. For example, let's say you're in a role-playing game, and a shopkeeper NPC remembers the potions you bought last time and suggests new ones. How cool is that? 2. Virtual assistants that feel human. It's not just gaming. ACE also powers virtual assistants and digital humans. These are like the AI versions of customer service agents or tutors. They can understand your questions, respond naturally, and even show emotions. Imagine calling customer support and talking to a virtual agent that feels like chatting with an actual person, not just a bot that repeats canned answers.
Less productive and create lesser good code. And so this is 30 million. There's a billion knowledge workers in the world. It is very, very clear AI agents is probably the next robotics industry and likely to be a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity.
AI agents are the new digital workforce, working for and with us. AI agents are a system of models that reason about a mission, break it down into tasks, and retrieve data.
Guys, that basically means we're all getting fired.
You're fired! Get out of here!
All right, so get this. Nvidia just dropped something insane called Cosmos, and it's like the ultimate cheat code for training robots and self-driving cars. Imagine this. You can type a prompt, like, show me a car driving through a rainy city at night, and boom. Cosmos generates a photorealistic video of that exact scenario, complete with physics and everything. It's like a video game engine on steroids, but for real-world AI training.
The magic happens when you connect Cosmos to Omniverse, and the reason fundamentally is this. Omniverse is a physics-grounded Not physically grounded, but physics grounded.
Here's the kicker. This synthetic data is a game changer for companies building robots and autonomous vehicles.
When you connect that to Cosmos, it provides the grounding, the ground truth that can control and to condition the Osmos generation. As a result, what comes out of Osmos is grounded on truth. This is exactly the same idea as connecting a large language model to a RAG, to a retrieval augmented generation system. You want to ground the AI generation on ground truth. And so the combination of the two gives you a physically simulated, a physically grounded multiverse generator. Really quite exciting. And of course, for robotics, for industrial applications, it is very, very clear. This Omniverse plus Cosmos represents the third computer that's necessary for building robotic systems. Every robotics company will ultimately have to build 3 computers.
Instead of spending millions driving cars around to collect real-world data, they can just use Cosmos to create endless simulations. Jensen Huang, Nvidia's CEO, was like, "We're going to have mountains of training data now." But don't worry, they're still going to use real-world data too. This just supercharges the whole process. Oh, and guess what? Nvidia is releasing Cosmos under an open license, so anyone can use it. Huang compared it to what Llama 3 did for enterprise AI, but this time it's all about robotics and industrial AI. Basically, they're handing developers the keys to the future. But wait, it gets better. Nvidia also announced a huge partnership with Toyota. Toyota's going to use Nvidia's Orin AI chips and their automotive OS to power advanced driver assistance systems in some of their cars. So yeah, Nvidia isn't just building the future, they're driving it, literally. How cool is that?
I think the next part is robotics. So
Focus up, ladies. Good evening and welcome to...
All right, so Nvidia just unveiled this mind-blowing platform, and it's like the ultimate toolkit for building humanoid robots. I'm talking about robots that can move, adapt to new places, grab stuff with human-like hands, and even think. It's not sci-fi anymore. This is happening right now. Let me break it down. 1. Teaching robots to move. First, GRO teaches robots how to move like humans, and it's got 3 crazy tools for that. You strap on something like an Apple Vision Pro, move around in a virtual world, and the robot learns by copying you. Think motion capture, but for robots. You show it a couple of human motions, and it turns those into thousands of synthetic variations. One demo becomes a massive data set. Gen. This is where it gets wild. Using Nvidia's Omniverse and Cosmos, it creates endless simulations. It throws in stuff like uneven floors or rain, so robots can train for literally any scenario.
Intelligence. The reason why we built it was because we wanted to make it possible for researchers and startups to have an out-of-the-box AI supercomputer. Imagine the way supercomputers were one out of the box. I delivered the first one to a startup company in 2016 called OpenAI, and Elon was there, and Ilya Sutskever was there. And
that's such a classic Jensen Huang move. He was casually saying, "Oh yeah, back in 2016, we delivered a supercomputer to this little startup called OpenAI. You might have heard of them. They're kind of a big deal now." It's like dropping a mic without even trying. I mean, think about it. Nvidia basically handed OpenAI the keys to the AI revolution with that DGX-1 supercomputer. And now, OpenAI is out here changing the world with ChatGPT, DALL-E, and all that crazy AI magic. Meanwhile, Jensen's just sitting there like, "Yeah, no big deal. We just powered the AI revolution. What's next?" The humor is in how understated it is. Like, he's not bragging, he's just stating facts. But those facts are insane. It's like saying, "Oh, I lent my neighbor a shovel and now they're digging up diamonds." Classic Jensen. Nvidia is out here literally building the future, and I don't know about you, but I'm hyped. From humanoid robots to AI-powered gaming, it's clear we're living in the golden age of tech. But here's the thing. Building AI agents and rapid AI developments, from supercomputers to the one on your desk, is moving so fast that it's hard not to wonder, will there even be jobs for humans in the next 2 to 3 years? especially for Gen Z, Gen Alpha, and anyone without years of experience. It's a scary thought, right? So, what do we do? How do we prepare for this AI-driven future? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Are you excited, worried, or both? Let's talk about it. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. And hey, drop a comment below. What's your favorite Nvidia innovation? Is it the robots, the GPUs, or something else? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and remember, this is just the beginning. The future is coming fast, and we're here to break it all down for you. Until next time, stay curious, stay excited, and I'll see you in the next one.